In the product industry, there's a controversial truth. Most teams are drowning in data but starving for insights. They collect user behavior, sales trends, and feature adoption metrics, but connecting these dots to form a coherent strategy is where they fail. Today, I'll show you how to overcome this by leveraging advanced pattern analysis. You'll learn why traditional methods fall short, the technical approach behind effective pattern detection, and how software like AnalyzePatterns can transform your product decision-making. The problem starts with data silos. In product development, data comes from various sources: analytics platforms, CRM systems, support tickets, and each is often managed separately. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple: keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. Generic tools like spreadsheets or basic dashboards can't handle the complexity of integrated analysis. They require manual effort, which is not only time-consuming but also inconsistent. Different team members might analyze the same data differently, leading to conflicting insights. Plus, subtle correlations between user engagement and sales cycles, or between feature releases and customer retention, are easily missed. This lack of unified analysis means product strategies are based on incomplete pictures, risking missed opportunities and misguided investments. So, what's the scientific approach to pattern analysis? It's not just about looking at charts. It's about applying statistical methods and machine learning algorithms to detect trends and anomalies. Key concepts include correlation analysis, time series forecasting, and cluster detection. Many people think pattern analysis is only for data scientists, but that's a misconception. With the right software, these techniques can be automated and made accessible to product managers. The goal is to identify patterns that are statistically significant, not just visually apparent. This means moving beyond gut feelings to data-driven insights. For example, instead of assuming a feature is popular because of anecdotal feedback, pattern analysis can quantify its impact across user segments and time periods. This is where AnalyzePatterns comes in. It's a software tool designed specifically for product teams. It starts by ingesting data from all your integrated modules, whether from analytics tools, databases, or APIs. It establishes baselines for normal behavior, then runs calculations to identify deviations and patterns. The system uses advanced algorithms to correlate events across different data dimensions. But it's not just about analysis. AnalyzePatterns includes an audit trail that logs every step, ensuring transparency and compliance. This is crucial for industries with regulatory requirements. Additionally, it offers scenario modeling capabilities, allowing you to simulate the impact of potential product changes. You can ask what-if questions and see how different variables might affect user engagement or sales trends. Let me walk you through a hypothetical example. Imagine a product team has launched a new feature. They have data on user activation rates, support ticket volume, and monthly recurring revenue. By using AnalyzePatterns, they can correlate these variables. The software might identify that a spike in support tickets after the launch is correlated with a drop in activation rates for certain user segments. This insight could prompt the team to investigate the feature's usability issues. Without claiming specific results, this example shows how pattern analysis can highlight areas for improvement that might otherwise be overlooked. When it comes to reporting, AnalyzePatterns generates comprehensive yet readable reports. These reports are designed for stakeholders at all levels, from technical teams to executives. They include visualizations that clearly show patterns and trends, along with explanations in plain language. The software ensures that all analyses are documented for compliance purposes, aligning with standards like GDPR or industry-specific regulations. This means you can trust that your insights are not only accurate, but also auditable. In summary, AnalyzePatterns empowers product teams to move from data chaos to clarity. By automating pattern analyses across integrated data sources, it delivers consistent, actionable insights that drive strategic decisions. You save time, reduce errors, and uncover opportunities that manual methods miss.